guys, this is Ayin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another celebrity-inspired makeup look for you guys. And this time, this is inspired by our girl, Nadine Lustre. This is my take on her FAMAS look wherein she won Best Actress. So congratulations Nadine and congratulations din sa lahat ng Jadine fans out there. And nung nakita ko talaga yung photos niya online, super ayaw talaga papigil ni ate girl. Yung gown niya, it's so classy, it's so glamorous. Tapos yung makeup niya, very glowy. Talagang pakak ang highlighter ni ate. So, naisip ko, why don't I recreate it? And yan, this is the look that I came up with. But again, just a disclaimer, a celebrity-inspired makeup is different from a makeup transformation. I'm not saying that I look like ate girl at the moment kasi kita nyo naman, ibang-iba, diba? But I just copied how she did her makeup and sa totoo lang, I just winged the eyes kasi hindi talaga ako makakita ng detailed photo ng eye makeup niya. So, alam mo yun, this is my own take on her FAMAS look. So, yun. And sana magustuhan nyo itong video na to before we proceed with the tutorial. If you haven't already, I would appreciate if you guys will hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos and so that you'll be part of our clique here. And if you guys want to know how I did this Nadine Lustre, who is very much on fire at the moment, makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, so priming my face using the Maybelline Master Prime. While I'll let that dry, so punta muna tayo sa brows. So from what I see sa photos, yung brows ni Nadine, it's dark and it's quite long. As in, mahaba yung tail ng brows niya. So that's what I will attempt to do today. So for my brows, I'm gonna use a combo of this Everbilena Matic brow liner in hazel brown, and then itong si Essence eyebrow designer in brown. Then I'll just set my brows with L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. So I'm gonna do my brows off cam as per usual and I will be right back. Okay, so after 48 years, natapos din ako sa brows. And now we will move on to our foundations. Okay, so yung skin ni Nadine, it's very bronzy. Parang may pagka-tanned, bronzy looking siya. And ito lang yung foundation ko that can help me achieve that. And this is Everbilena All Day Liquid Foundation. So kung napapansin nyo, pag gumagawa ako ng mga bronzy look, ito yung ginagamit ko madalas. Kasi yung shade nito is perfect for that. Pero hindi naman ako mahirapan i-achieve yun because nga, my skin is a shade darker right now. Okay, for my concealer, I'm just gonna use the JCat Contour Quad. I'm gonna go for this shade right here. Itong medyo not the lightest one. To set my other area and yung mga nilagyan ko ng concealer, I'm just gonna use this Marc Jacobs powder right here. Before I finish off the rest of my face, I'm gonna do my eye makeup first. Okay, so for her eyes, sa totoo lang, hindi ko masyadong makita yung eye makeup niya. Hindi ako nakahanap ng photo na talagang kita yung detalye ng mata. So, I'm just gonna wing it based on the photos. And nakita ko doon, marami siyang shimmery eyeshadow on the eyelids. But she also has this parang cat eye-ish effect sa mata niya. So, yun yung itatry natin i-achieve today. And for today, I'm gonna use her palette from BYS. So, ito yung Calypso palette. The thing about this palette, although I love it, is that it doesn't have a matte shade. So, you really have to use this in conjunction with other palettes. And to be honest, that's not an issue for me kasi tuwing gumagawa naman ako ng tutorials, you would see me use 2 to 3 palettes. So, okay lang. And I really like this palette actually. I'm gonna go and get a brown transition shade to start off our eyes. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the matte shade from this EB palette. So, ayan. So, first, I'm gonna use this cream shade to set the eye area. Then, I'm gonna take this shade. This is the lightest brown shade here. And I'm gonna start putting that on the crease. I'm gonna take a bit of this bronzing shade from the Marc Jacobs contour and setting powder that I used. Nilalagay ko rin siya sa crease ko. Kasi may pagka-peachy yung nasa EB na palette. And I want a more brown color. So, yan. Now, I'm gonna take the darkest brown shade here, which is this one. And I'm gonna start to create like a cat eye. I'm gonna dig into the Lustrous palette and use this dark brown shade right here, and also gonna put that on my eyes outer corner because this one's darker. Okay, so for now, ganyan muna siya. What I'm going to do first is I'm gonna take this shimmery eyeshadow right here from her palette. And I'm gonna use a flat shader brush. And I'm gonna wet it with a hydrating water. And then I'm also gonna take this shade, this parang more peachy shade, and I'm gonna put that on the eyelids as well. Okay, and then I'm gonna get my liquid eyeliner so we can start to really define the eyes. Tapos tsaka ako i-retouch yung mga dark colors on the outer corner of the eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry first, and I'm going to do the rest of my face first before I finish off the eyes. Again, Nadine's face is very bronzy, it's very glowy, so that's what we are going for. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bronze the face, and I'm just gonna use this para hindi na ako kumuha ng iba. For my blush, I'm gonna use the Benefit Dallas blush. And then I'm also gonna contour my nose pala, I forgot. And for my nose contour, I'm just gonna use this as well. Okay, so for highlight, we need to achieve the glowiness of Nadine. So first, I'm gonna take the Sunny's Face Glow Boss in Hey Girl. Put that here. Tap it with my finger. And then, like what I've been doing with this palette, I'm gonna combine these two shades right here. I love the combination of these two as highlight. Nagawa ko na yun sa ilang videos ko before. See? Is very highlighted. So now I'm gonna finish off the eyes. For the eyes, konti na lang naman yung gagawin ko. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go back to the dark brown shade here, this shade right here, and I'm gonna put more on the outer corner of the eyes and also on the waterline. So I'm gonna use Mr. Bing from ColourPop, and I'm just gonna line my waterline and my tight line. So now I'm gonna put falsies and mascara off cam, and I will be right back so we can finish off everything else. Okay, so lashes are on. Now I'm gonna finish off the eyes. I'm just gonna put my inner corner highlight, and then we are done. Okay, first pala, before going sa inner corner highlight, I'm gonna take this shade right here first and put it here, very near the tear duct area. I'm gonna take this shade and put that in the inner corners. So I'm gonna wet this brush again just to make the color more intense. For her lips, she used a brown lipstick. So I'm gonna look for a brown lipstick. Sige, first I'm gonna line my lips with this Max and More lip liner. And then I'm gonna go with MAC Taupe. I'm gonna get MAC Stone and add it on top of the lipstick. Kasi parang feeling ko mas dark yung lips niya. And we are done. So there you have it, guys. This is our final makeup look. Again, this is inspired by Nadine Lustre, who is on a roll right now. Sana nagustuhan niyo tong ating video for today. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly appreciate it. I don't have anything more to say. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!